General Motors East Africa was founded in 1975 as a joint venture between the Government of Kenya and General Motors Company, with vehicle assembly commencing at its factory 2 years later. It is currently the largest manufacturer of commercial vehicles in the East African region, assembling a wide range of Isuzu trucks and buses and selling fully built Chevrolet passenger vehicles.
We were approached by Isuzu about a year and a half ago with a request to consider participation in the factory, and over time the negotiations have evolved to the final decision of this actually turning into a complete sales share being about a month ago.
Its effectiveness is due some months down the line after the approvals have been secured.
The change of ownership from General Motors to Isuzu is one that neither of the parties wanted to disclose the cost. Currently, over 90% of General Motors East Africa's sales are Isuzu brands.
We are selling, General Motors East Africa selling almost 5,000 trucks and buses here. The capacity is 11,000 units annually, so still more room to assemble here.
We've really talked about manufacturing in this country for the last few years and talking about a depressed manufacturing sector, but we're starting to see a turnaround. Just last year Volkswagen came back, then we saw Peugeot coming back this year, and then now seeing this kind of partnership between Isuzu and General Motors tells you a different story from what has been.
Isuzu coming here is in itself a sign of confidence to be able to tap into the existing market opportunity in our region. So Kenya is on the move.
The good news for employees of General Motors East Africa is that they will not be affected by the change of ownership. One of the brands under General Motors East Africa, Chevrolet, will however be impacted by the new development.
We will start to wind down the Chevrolet brand. We will continue to offer strong after-sales support for our customers. We'll continue to sell Chevrolet until later in this year, when then the dealer will be involved in offering after-sales support.
Kavashe will continue serving as the managing director under the new ownership structure, as the company seeks to expand its present market share of 35.1% in Kenya. Other shareholders, Kenya's Industrial and Commercial Development Corporation with 20%, Centum Investments with 17.8%, and Itochu Corporation with 4.5% will retain their shareholding without any changes. Alex Mwangi, NTV.